Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Meshak Mate. So today I was just scrolling on X and then I saw this other video where Tsiki Mazwai was being interviewed by, I forgot the name of that guy. Anyway, that's not important. The important matter is about what I'm about to say about Tsiki Mazwai. So a question was posed to Tsiki Mazwai as to have she ever saw the EFF as the alternative in South Africa? And then Tsiki Mazwai went on to say that EFF was promising up until it was surrounded by yes men people. It means she includes the people like Floyd Shivambu, Mboyiseni Ndlozi, your Dalipofu, your Marshall Dlamini, because those are the people that are surrounding Julius Malema. So if she speaks like that, it means now she's talking about people like that because they are the ones that in many cases when Julius Malema says something out of line or something that seek to compromise the EFF, they couldn't reprimand him because obviously perhaps they could always, or he always told them that, hey, I formed the EFF. Where were you when I formed this baby? So you cannot tell me what to do or what to say, you know. So I don't know, man. I don't know what you think on this matter, but I believe there is some truth in the matter because when you check EFF after 2014 national elections, they were so promising. Like I'm one of the people who voted for the EFF. Like I've never voted any party than the EFF, but now as we head into 2026 national elections, I'm doubtful as to who am I going to vote because it seems like now the EFF is no longer the party that used to be, you know, when I started voting for it in 2014. Since then, I've been voting for the EFF, but now I'm a bit confused as to who am I going to vote, you know, because currently in all our political parties, there's no party that I can say confidently say I'm going to vote for them. I think I will conclude maybe next year when perhaps we are a week into the elections. Maybe that's when I'm going to decide. But now I really can't decide because all these political parties at this stage, no one is convincing me enough to say they deserve my vote. So yeah, that's all what I had for you. Here's the video that I'm talking about of Tsiki Mazwai talking about the EFF.
Solution.
The EFF was brilliant, except that...
Was.
Yeah, was.
Okay.
I think it was destroyed by Julius's ego. I think if Julius had had someone who could take him on, Julius was surrounded by yes men. And the danger with being surrounded by yes men is that even if you're stupid, the yes men are going to follow you into your stupid revolution. So if he had had people that could take him on and who could challenge him, it would have been more powerful. It could have been the thing. But yeah, once you, it's the same thing that I'm scared for MK with Zuma. Once you center it on one person, then the flaws of that person become the party.